Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view details about a place on Google Maps website. Open your favorite browser. Go to google.com/maps. Wait for the map to load completely. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type the name or address of the place you are interested in. Press enter. The map will instantly zoom in to your preferred location. A red pin will appear on the map marking the place. In the left sidebar, you can find more details about this location. You can find details like address, phone number, opening hours, photos and videos, user ratings and reviews. This is how you can view details about a place on Google Maps website. Thank you for watching.